here, type in lookout. Here, hold it one time.
Okay.
Ready. It stays steady. All right, you can hold it regular. Boop, 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 boop. Lookout racing. That's me. Subscribe. Hit the bell. You set up. You ready to go. Look, bam. Sir, you welcome. Oh, we got Mitchers over here in the right lane. I just had to set somebody up that didn't know how to work their phone that good. I got him on there now. I'm happy that he subscribed. He might tell a friend or something. Dang, man.
Yeah, I need to charge my damn phone. I'm down to like 10%. I think 16. Yeah, this is right here. It'll be allowed. There ain't no blown motors right here.
Welcome to Lookout Racing. Oh man, I ain't get to see old boy make a comment. Thanks, Kevin. Welcome to the races. Charge your damn phone. I got the charger. I'm using the charger for the gimbal right now. I'm trying to do everything. Left lane for the win. Boy, the Mistress be doing this thing, man. I like the way Mistress car running. Hi, Wonder Eggs. Know you from MMTV. Glad you made it. I got somebody here named Wonder Egg. Sig May, he wanted to let y'all know that Nikki got 502. And he trying to wonder why. Because he know I be wondering. I don't know. Kevin Musk, somebody said this the best live stream he ever seen. I follow all the feeds from NPK. Oh, Kevin Musgrove, appreciate it, man. I sure appreciate it, man. That was a good one. Dang. I had got a good video of that.
Damn it.
Did you get that?
I got it.
Oh, okay.
Did you?
I got it real good. I seen it in my screen. Them wheels was up in the air.
Yeah, sun's going down, then about time.
Upshift Media said he just hit Upshift Media say he just hit 1,000 subscribers. Took him a month, 2 months. That's good. He got sideways around them. Yeah, this no prep. This the street outlaws, man. No prep kings. We in Tulsa. It's going down. We got Justin Swanstrom. We got everybody in the building. All the street outlaws. Moms are here. I seen Hot Mess Express back there. Old boy from Pornhub. Man, everybody here. Mine is too, but I got a charger. Oh, here we go. Before I get, oh snap, my bad, y'all. Hold on, my bad, y'all. Let me get this. I'm trying to get this phone charged. I just got another ball on the gimbal, so I'm trying to charge. The phone and the gimbal use the same charger. Look out, you sleeping in where tomorrow? Farm truck. I ain't seen farm truck. That'll be nice to see him. Buffering. They probably did it just because I put the charge in. Sunset do look good, y'all. Who got resin lips?
Yeah, my battery's down to like...
Gets on my stash. Look out, sleeping in the plane till tomorrow. Truckloads when I was younger. Small block. Yeah, man. It's my first time here. Good vibes. Already, man. Souk Mike Hawk said this is his first time here, y'all. And he having good vibes so far. Let me see if I can share it in my groups, man. I got some groups I can share it with too. Show y'all how I be doing it. Let me give y'all a little snippet. I'll hit YouTube. I'll go to my live. They probably don't know how to share. Look, you can go to the video, right? Turn off the comments. You see that right there? I say, see it right. Come on, baby. Get it to them. All right, it's right there though. Share.